hopefully third things around talaga.
Medyo may kalawang in your, na medyo ang tagal ng pahinga, coach. Yung gano'n.
Yun yung kalawang. Siguro, number one, we have to control our emotions. So, doon medyo nagkulang yung our players. So, hopefully, matuto sila sa game ng ito ngayon. Kasi playoff basketball is different story than sa elimination. So, we will look at the videos tomorrow and we will come up kung anong kailangan namin gawin pa.
Bumawi naman si Jake in this game, pero parang siya lang yung, tsaka si Olmar yung gumawa.
Jake is Jake eh. Hindi naman doon kami nagre-rely eh. Ang importante sa amin kasi we will play as a group, as a team. So may mga bagay na kailangan namin ayusin, especially doon sa mga ibang players. So hopefully ma-address namin tomorrow para we will come prepared on Saturday.
Medyo mas yung sitwasyon ngayon, coach, na yung psychological advantage, parang feeling mo nasa kabila, or you feel like you still have the edge in this game?
Given naman yun eh. So kailangan lang namin kung paano namin i-handle yung gantong situation. Kung paano namin naharapin yung gantong challenge. So still positive pa rin. May challenge eh. Even na yan eh. Yun nga yun kung paano kami mag-approach today, tomorrow's coming to Saturday.